Okay, first of all, I feel like I have 20,000 things that I need to do, but I only have 2 minutes to do literally everything. So that's fun. What's up, guys? If you're tired and stressed, feel free to subscribe now so you don't have to do it later. Oh man, on the outside, I'm literally always like... But really, on the inside, I'm like... So since I'm stressed and overwhelmed with life, I thought the best thing that I could do is give myself a makeover and transform into someone that seems like they know what they're doing. Which is what I feel like every time I go to work. I'm like, hello. I guess I'm just gonna see how much I can transform my haggard self into someone that is the complete opposite of what I look like. Well, I mean, I just want to see how much I can change my appearance in a day. Will I still be stressed after? Probably. Well, at least I'm hydrated. Huh. Hydrated, but still sad. That's literally what all the fish in the ocean say.
Because we're killing them.
So I guess we're gonna transform... And ooh. Sorry, before I transform, here's a word from our sponsor. Just kidding, what's that? Our sponsor is new merch. Ta-da! I tired. A lot of you guys were actually asking for this I tired design, so it's finally out. And as usual, it's only available for 15 days, so place your orders before then, before it's gone. I'm wearing the navy colored sweatshirt in an extra large, cause I tired.
Actually, I'm dying.
It's like 30 degrees in my room, but I have to show off the new merch. But yeah, it's very comfy and it's very soft. It comes in a t-shirt, a long sleeve, and also a hoodie. I just like the oversized sweatshirt because it's great for when someone talks to you and you're like... Anyways, if you don't care about merch, pretend that didn't happen. Time to get this transformation bread. Alright, so I think the first thing that a well put together person has is a nice haircut, and not this nastiness. Like right now my bangs are crazy and they're like covering my eyes. So I'm just gonna give myself a little trim. That's right, you heard me. I'm gonna give myself a trim. Cause it's a lot to book an appointment and then wait and then go. I need to cut my hair now, just being an Aries. Yeah, let's go to my salon, aka my bathroom, and give myself a haircut. Okay, so the salon is open for business. I got my trusty professional cutting hair scissors. Ew, go away. That's my hair looking at me right now. Oh yeah, there's a reason why I grabbed newspaper. I'm gonna lay this on the ground so I don't make a mess. Hello. Okay, so I section off my hair and I'm just gonna take it easy at first and cut a little bit at a time before I go do anything crazy. Shh. Why does the scene seem oddly familiar? The lighting in here is so crazy. It's giving me like tunnel vision. It's literally making my brain go stupid, go crazy. Which do you guys relate to more? Go crazy or go stupid? For me, it's go stupid, cause just look at this. Okay. Okay, actually it's not bad. I thought it was too short. I'm gonna be like one of those girls with bangs like up to here. Is this what they mean when they say, I want layers? Oh no. Oh no. I think it looks okay. It's not like in my eyes anymore. Actually, it's literally stabbing my eye right now. Huh. Well, let's move on to the next part. Yeah, see, this side is definitely a lot longer compared to the other side. Okay, why does it seem like this side grew? My hair is like longer. Hello, what's going on? Well, first of all, I don't know what this thing is, so can you just... I think it looks okay. Let's quickly move on to something else before I start turning ugly in the camera. So, this is my new hair. After cutting it, the next logical thing to do if I'm gonna do a transformation is to dye my hair.
Okay, the music is so loud, but there's a couple options for hair to dye. Let's see. Ooh. I'm kind of feeling blue, but I also like green. But I feel like blue's more on trend. That me.
Nothing says I have my life together than dyed hair. Oh wait, it's the opposite. Well, I guess we're just doing a how much I can change my appearance in a day video. So I've gotten a little bit of inspiration from Taehyung, or V, from BTS. Specifically his blue hair. It's very nice, very... We're just gonna do like an alternate version of that because one, I don't have the resources to get a hair appointment, dye my hair, bleach it. So I went and bought this stuff. It's temporary hair dye, so you don't have to bleach your hair, you can just put it on top. So let's hope it works. Also, sorry, don't mind all the towels and crap. It's a bathroom, so... I'm not really sure how I want to do this. I think I just want to do like a section of blue, maybe some over here too. Well, if I don't like it, I can always wash it off and put more on, but... Okay, I'm just gonna go for it and see what happens. Okay, where are the instructions? Complete directions printed on the carton interior. What the hell? Why would you do this? Oh wait, step 1. Place a towel around shoulders to protect clothing. With your fingertips, apply a dime-sized amount onto a thin section of hair. It also says you don't need gloves, which kind of makes me nervous. Ooh, okay, it just feels like a nice like cream thing. So we'll just oh, is anything happening? Hello? Yeah, it's not really showing, but it smells good? No, it smells bad. Okay. I mean, kind of. Like, you can kind of see it in certain lighting. Okay, let's do more. I'm scared, but excited. But mostly scared, because I feel like I'm doing it wrong. In real life, it's definitely not as vibrant compared to like in the camera. And my hair actually doesn't feel too bad. It doesn't feel crusty or greasy. It just feels like I put some like cream product in it and just blended it in. Ugh, I'm tired already. Wow, dyeing hair definitely seems like a chore. Hairdressers, y'all are the real MVPs. So I'm just creating like a balayage effect. Balayage? Balayage? I don't know. What is that even? I just hear people say, oh, I would like a balayage, please. And then the hairdresser's like, sure. Should I just do my whole head? I still have a lot of... actually, never mind. Too much work. Oh, ow. You know why my hair is falling out? It's because I'm literally pulling as hard as I can. I need to chill. Y'all hear something? That's me being annoying. Oh, it got on my glasses. Help. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o. Not coming off. Oh, my eye. Ta-da! Well, I think this is good enough. I like how my hair doesn't feel nasty and crusty. Whoa, it just felt nasty and crusty. Ooh, new hair. Who dis? Hello, off-brand V. Okay, the next part of this video, I'm scared. One of the worst things in the world are contact lenses. I mean, it's nice that they help you see and give you vision, but I would rather wear glasses than poke myself in the eye every single day. But you know what, since we're changing our appearance today, I'm gonna have to face my fears. So Pinky Paradise actually sent me some lenses to play with, so I guess I have to put contacts in now. There's so many choices. I don't know. I'm overwhelmed and kind of shaking because I'm scared. Please calm down. Okay, well, I guess I'll try these ones. Oh, if you guys do shop online for color contacts, I do have a code that you can use. It'll be in the bio. What do I have to do first? Oh, wash my hands. Duh. I hate germs. Okay, so this me eye. They're very dark. So we're gonna try and put these in. I literally forget how to do it, but I think you just like open your eye with your 2 fingers and you bloop it in. Oh, I remember it taking me like an hour the first time I tried to put on contacts, but see you in a few days, maybe. This is literally bringing back like war flashbacks. I'm so bad at putting on contacts. Okay, like half an hour later, I still can't get it in. Please, I can feel it suctioning to my eye, but then it keeps like plopping out. Please just stick to my nasty eye. This is so... I think I did it. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh, my eye's just watering like crazy now, but my eye is literally like... And ooh, why did you do this? I guess we'll try the next eye. This is making me sad. I just wanted to look like a different person. Is that so much to ask for? Ooh, hello new eye. Time for the other eye. Wow, I somehow got on the other eye so fast. I don't know about this. Alright, well, an hour later, and here we go. Oh, this feels crazy. Okay, let's go do something else. Ugh. Oh my god, it's so bright. Jesus Christ. Okay, that's a little bit better. Anyways, let's make my face look a little nicer and not so nasty. Wow, in the sun you can definitely see the blue, and also look at my eyes. I scared. Okay, first of all, let's just sanitize because I hate germs. Ew. Oh, I already filled in my brows. I wanted to actually make them blue, but I don't got any blue. Actually, do you have any blue? Is this blue? No, that's straight up black. Every time I look at myself, I'm scared. Also, I'm kind of nervous. I hope I can take these out later. Putting on contacts really sucked all the energy that I had planned for this video. Like, why are they so hard to put on? I guess like with practice, right? That was like the first time I put them on in like literally 2 years. And I'm so dumb too. I would always buy contact solution and it would always expire because I just would never wear my contact lenses because I hate them. Anyways, I'm just giving myself a little bit of color so I don't look so dead. Someone said if you put this underneath your eyes, it makes your face look more I actually don't know what that means. Oh, it said it makes your like cheeks look a bit fuller or something like that. I don't know, man. I'm just trying to not look so gross. How does that look? Good? Maybe? The same? But yeah, the first time I got contact lenses prescribed to me, I was in there for like almost 2 hours, and then my optometrist came in the room because his assistant was teaching me how to put them on, and he was like,
What's going on? Why are you still here?
and she was like, we're still trying to get the contact lenses in, and I'm just sitting there like struggling, and he's like,
Well, better figure that out.
and I was like, am I in trouble? All I want is vision. Let me just spray some of this on my face, I guess. Even though I didn't even put any like foundation on. I just want to spray because it's so hot in my room. I usually like to spray it and then just like swoop in and grab it on my face because I find that when I spray it, it's always too like concentrated. Perfect. What's next? Oh, you know what? Maybe some new clothes. I'm just gonna get changed. BRB. Don't look. Hello, it me, with new clothes. Also, sorry, I turned on the air conditioning because, like I said, it's like a sauna in here, and I don't want to faint on camera. Oh, and I just remembered, I'm gonna put on some jewelry. I pretty much don't own like any jewelry at all. Well, like necklaces. So my good old friend, Yolaine, gave me this big ass tray to pick from, so thank you so much. This is overwhelming. I don't know what to do. Should I put on like this ring? Ooh, look at that. Just kidding. Oh, you know what? I actually bought this the other day because I was like, I don't have jewelry, like I just said. Look at this little lock thing. It's so cute. I don't know if it goes with my outfit because it's gold, but who cares at this point? How does this go on? Ow! What the hell? What else do we have? We have some of these rings. Should I put one on each finger or like all on one finger? Oop, that is gonna get stuck on that finger. Oh, I'm concerned about how tight this went on. Ow. Okay, maybe that's enough jewelry. I feel like I'm gonna go overboard and be annoying. Oh, I put on some earrings too, because my ears have holes in them, so might as well fill them. That is disgusting. Oh, you know what? Since I'm a new person now, I'm gonna take a new Instagram and be like, hey y'all, new look. Same depressed face. Okay, follow me. I'm just gonna... Oh my god, this camera is like on fire. Yee. Please don't explode in my face. Hi. Hi. This me taking some pics. Well, that's that. That was my transformation into... What is this? I don't even know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a little... Why is the sun crazy? Jesus. Oh, now it's too dark. What the f? Okay, I guess we'll just have weird, crazy lighting. What was I saying? Oh yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a little bit of engagement. Give this video a like, leave a comment. We can chat about our lack of serotonin in the comments. But yeah, I don't know. I think I did a pretty good job. I definitely don't look like this from day to day, so I definitely transformed. The craziest thing were these eyeballs. I haven't even worn the crazy colored ones yet. Those will come in a different video. Who is this foreigner? I'm scared. 배가 고보세요 죽을 것 같아. Anyways, that's the video, guys. Hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! This is literally what my eye saw when I was putting on contact lenses.